Hello and welcome to part 3 of our barrier care and maintenance series. In this instalment we're going to be talking about another issue to do with keeping your barriers and cord tidy, and that is not to wrap your cord around the upright. This is something that we see quite often. It gets done where usually as a remedy to the droopy cord issue that we discussed in part 2, rather than take the cord out, trim it and reinsert it, we see people, you're busy people, and we see that you often go around and quickly wrap the cord around the turret like that to straighten it rather than trim it and reinsert it. This obviously just creates an untidy finish for your exhibitions, and is something to definitely be avoided. So that is tip 3. Don't do this. Take the cord out, trim it, put it back in. Join us next time for the next instalment of our barrier care and maintenance series.